Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2013 Nissan Frontier SV that we have for sale. This one is equipped with the SV value truck package. That was a $1,900 option package, giving you a rear view camera, rear parking aid, dual zone auto climate, temperature control, automatic dimming mirror, integrated compass and temperature display, a spray and bed liner, a utility track system with 4 adjustable tie cleats, fog lamps, a vehicle security system, in-cabin microfilter, sliding bed extender, and trailer hitch. So you get a lot with the SV value package. This particular Frontier is a one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. For 2013, I think it has pretty low miles, 68,000. Most people average 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year, so 68,639 is not too bad. As we mentioned, dual zone auto climate control. We have rear parking sensors, great sounding audio system, a backup camera, and then as we mentioned, integrated compass and outside temperature display, automatic dimming mirror. This Frontier is in really nice shape, nice color combination, silver on gray cloth. If you're in the market for a compact pickup truck with 4 doors, the Frontier is a great choice. They've been making these for many years. They have proven to be very reliable vehicles. This one features a fantastic 4-liter V6 engine. I think it's good for close to, 270 horsepower. It's like between 260 and 270 horsepower. A little bit extra storage under there with the seats folded up if need be. And not too bad space for a compact pickup truck, even in the back seats. Nice alloy wheels, tires have plenty of tread on them. So you mentioned this one also has the trailer hitch. This one has a bed extender on it. Pretty easy to use, a light composite material, so it's pretty easy to manage. Very versatile bed. This one's been serviced and checked by our techs. The brakes are good, the tires are good, and now it's ready for a new home. And our techs are Nissan certified. Since Infiniti is part of the Nissan family, it's our parent company. All our techs are Nissan certified, so it has been serviced and checked by our Nissan certified tech. And there's that fantastic 4-liter V6, definitely a big upgrade over the 4-cylinder engine. A little over, I think it's somewhere between 260 and 270 horsepower, plenty of power. Maintenance-free timing chain, so you never need to worry about the cost replacement of timing belts. One awesome engine. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.